Windows populates the new context menu option with a variety of choices that let you quickly create a brand new file. However, you may encounter some issues that this option might be missing on your computer. Now, if you happen to experience it as well, here's what you can try to do. Now first, you have to open registry by searching run, type in regedit, then press enter. Now navigate to and expand the following folder in the registry, and this will lead you to the new key folder. Now the new key or folder holds information for the new context menu. If this folder does not exist, you can create it by selecting context menu handlers, right-click in the open space, then select new, and then choose key. Now in the folder or key named new, you should have a string named default with the value data as follows. Now proceeding to the steps, now that you have the new folder, you have to delete the string, then you have to recreate it. Now if you don't have the string or its value data is different, you will have to create the string and enter its value data. So in recreating the string, do it by right-clicking in the blank space on the right panel of the new folder or key, then select new, and then choose string. Now you have to name the new string default with the parenthesis and edit its value data, then copy and paste the following value data in the field. Now once done, you have to close out of Registry Editor, restart Windows Explorer, and this should restore your new context menu in File Explorer and the new text document item with it. And that's how you can fix a missing Create New Text Document option in your Windows context menu of your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.